you tired of struggling with angle grinders, slow cutting tools, or rough metal cuts? If you're searching for the best solution for cutting metal with a plasma cutter, today's video is exactly what you need. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, home fabricator, mechanic, or small workshop owner, choosing the right plasma cutter can save you time, money, and frustration. In this video, we're reviewing 3 of the most talked about plasma cutters available right now. We'll cover their features, pros, cons, and what real buyers are saying so you can decide which one deserves a place in your workshop. Stay until the end because one of these machines offers incredible value for the money. First up is the ARCCAPTAIN 55 amp plasma cutter. This model features blowback non-HF pilot arc technology, dual voltage operation, a large LED display, and support for mesh cutting and rusted surfaces. It is designed for both beginners and experienced users looking for a portable and versatile machine. Pros: blowback pilot arc helps deliver cleaner starts. Dual voltage 110 volts and 220 volts compatibility. Lightweight and easy to move around. Large LED display makes settings easy to read. Suitable for a wide range of metal fabrication projects. Cons: not the most powerful option in today's lineup. Heavy-duty users may want more cutting capacity. Customer reviews: many buyers praise the easy setup process and smooth cutting performance. Users also mention that the machine offers excellent value for the price and appreciate the portable design. Some customers report that it performs especially well for garage projects, automotive work, and hobby fabrication. Overall, the ARCCAPTAIN 55 amp plasma cutter is an excellent choice for users who want reliability, simplicity, and strong performance without spending a fortune. Next, we have the SILATU STC 750P 75 amp plasma cutter. This machine stands out because of its powerful 75 amp output, air sensor technology, large LED display, and dual voltage capability. It is marketed as a beginner-friendly machine while still offering serious cutting power. Pros: highest power rating among today's featured products. Air sensor technology helps monitor air conditions. Large LED display for easy adjustments. Designed for both beginners and advanced users. Strong cutting capability for demanding projects. Cons: larger power output may be more than casual DIY users need. Typically costs more than entry-level alternatives.
Customer reviews. Many customers highlight the impressive power and cutting performance. Users also appreciate the modern display and easy-to-understand controls. Buyers who work on larger metal projects often mention that this machine provides the performance they were looking for without moving into premium industrial pricing. If you're looking for more cutting power and future-proof performance, the SILATU STC 750P is definitely worth considering. Our third product is the bestarc 60A plasma cutter. This machine features a blowback pilot arc system, air sensor technology, large LED display, post-flow functionality, and dual voltage operation. It is specifically marketed toward DIY users who want professional-level features at an affordable price. Pros: excellent balance between power and affordability. Blowback pilot arc improves cutting stability. Air sensor technology adds convenience. Large LED display is easy to read. Great feature set for beginners and hobbyists. Cons: not as powerful as the 75A SILATU model. Some advanced users may prefer more industrial-grade options. Customer reviews. Customers frequently mention that the machine is easy to learn and delivers clean results for common fabrication tasks. Many buyers appreciate the combination of affordability and features, making it a popular option for home workshops and weekend projects. For shoppers looking for the sweet spot between price and performance, the bestarc 60A plasma cutter is a strong contender. If you want the best overall balance of value and performance, the ARCCAPTAIN 55 amp is a fantastic choice. If maximum power is your priority, the SILATU STC 750P 75 amp takes the lead. If you're searching for the best budget-friendly, feature-packed option, the bestarc 60A plasma cutter offers tremendous value. Thanks for watching our review of the best options for cutting metal with a plasma cutter. If this video helped you find the right machine for your workshop, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Global Product Scout, and share this video with friends who love tools, fabrication, and DIY projects. Your support helps us create more honest product reviews and buying guides. Also, check the links in the description to learn more about the featured products.
Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next review video on Global Product Scout.